So do you charge by the pound? This person said they started with a flat rate by the bag pricing, but found it confused the customers. Now they switched to per pound and have had much fewer customer issues. So I don't know if you guys could talk a little bit about how you do your pricing, per pound, flat rate.
Sure, I can start. I mean, we started and we're currently using a per bag pricing with we're basically, we think of it as a filter. So the price is pretty high to begin with. Right now we charge $55 up to 20 per bag, up to 25 pounds, meaning the minimum order is going to be that $55. It was very important from the beginning. If anyone's starting this out and watching this, it's very important that you don't go out there picking up 10 pounds of laundry and only charging people for 10 pounds of laundry. You're going to be losing money. And figure out what your costs are and figure out your economics per unit so that you're to ensure and build your pricing around that. That's my number one piece of advice when starting out. Otherwise, you're going to be in this cycle of trying to get business everywhere, and you're just not going to be profitable. So right now, we're actually considering going to per pound, and I think we'll be launching that in February. We're going to be, offering a subscription service on the one hand for like regular customers or people who have a lot of laundry, and then a la carte with a relatively high per pound pricing and no delivery fee. That for us is a way to simplify things even more, because yes, occasionally we do get complaints. Hey, I put in 2 bags, but it was only 20 pounds total. How come you're charging me $110? Miscommunications can happen. But overall, it's been good. It's been good. Customers who use this on a regular basis understand how we work. So it's a great way to start, is in my opinion, the per pound, the per bag, I think.
Per bag. How about you, Wally?
We're per pound, but I've been tempted to go to per bag. We've tested it. I've been so tempted, just with some like incentives and ideas we had behind the per bag that we really wanted to do that would be a little difficult by the pound. We just never switched it. After we did the test, we just never pulled the trigger 100%. And then we came up with some crazy ideas we want to try with per pound. So around, subscription and different models that we're building out. So we'll probably be sticking with the per pound for a while. But yeah, I think it works either way, depending on, how you structure it, what market you're in. I don't think there's a yes or no for either one. David is clear example of stores who are successful using a per bag model, and then stores that are successful using a per pound model.